Yep.
Have you used back surgery? It's tight.
It's really tight. Isn't it?
So what we'll do is, how many?
The 3 out to.
Demise your own potential, isn't it? I'm probably the strongest in the garage, you know. Yeah. I might be lean. Or the tyre pressure info?
I have not got it.
How much weight in the car would it be fairly normal? We got to the point where we kind of got back busy. That we weren't really taking on any extra work, and the more we advertised, the more we got, and then we were kind of like outies. So it's very old, and we've had a false ceiling put in. But, yeah,
Keep it warm, yeah.
So really strange history. Actually, through World War II, it was the ration distribution centre. So yeah, it's obviously it was not very automotive. But
Yeah.
This building's very historic. There are a lot of the old boys around in town.
Yeah.
That have obviously seen this place change from business to business. But
So 1940s.
1940s.
That's World War
yeah.
II, isn't it?
That's World War II. Yeah. They used to all the rations came from Birmingham, and they were actually distributed here. And that was because it was like the coldest building, so for all meat storage
wow.
and things. And as you can feel, it's pretty cold.
I'm pretty.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Heating is something we're not blessed with. There's not a budget for heating.
No, there isn't.
Just go straight out the door. Yeah. Just got a little bit left on it. So probably same as RIS, 3.5 mil, something like that. So again, I'll put that at the back so you can. Yes, please. The passenger side by the
Yeah, it needs a wash, so the car could do with the wash as well.
We just like walking the sofa, cheers. You see some cars come out of the tyre shops and stuff, and they've got covered in soap all the sidewalls white.
I only apologise for the fingerprints all over your wheels. I'll email you.
Are those good tyres?
The Bridgestones?
Yep.
Pretty much the best. Yeah.
How do they compare against Pirellis and Michelin's and Conti's?
I personally think Bridgestone make better run flat tyres than definitely Pirelli. Continentals are notoriously soft, so you don't necessarily get the mileage.
Yeah.
Sort of value for money wise and quality, everything Bridgestone is probably pound for pound the best. Hence why Bridgestone, I mean BMW,
Yeah.
like, you know, they still use Bridgestone to this day. So,
Yeah.
Michelin's, I would say, are the best tyres on the market, but again, they just come with a massive premium. You'll be paying another 10-15%.
They're the same price.
Is that right?
Yeah.
No, right, okay. But this is what BMW stick with. So,
Okay.
trust the manufacturers, really.
Just a German car manufacturer, I think.
Yeah, that's it.
So I looked at Michelin, I looked at Pirelli's, Bridgestone,
Yeah.
and they were all about the same price. And the reason I went for those is because that's what I had on the car from BMW.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, with the Bridgestones themselves, they're generally designed in partnership with BMW. They come with a little star on them, which is like BMW approval.
Oh wow.
And that's what you should be looking for, really. Where Michelin tend to not have any sort of like manufacturer affiliation, it's unusual to see that.
Yeah.
Bridgestone specifically work in partnership with BMW. These tyres are basically made for this and this only. So.
Oh wow. Because when I bought my first BMW a while back,
Yeah.
they came with Conti's.
Okay. I think they're a good tyre. I just tend to seem to get a lot of disappointment with Continental, really. You get phenomenal performance, but you don't necessarily get the mileage that you really want out of it.
Yeah, that's the problem I used to have.
It's a big compromise with tyres, really.
Keeps you fit and healthy then, yeah, this job?
Absolutely, yeah. Toughness and up for all this cold weather and things as well.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Right then,
All done?
all sorted, yeah?
Awesome.
Can we sit that back in the boot?
Thank you.
No worries at all.